Hello, William. Can you hear me? Narinig mo ba ako, William?
Yes po.
Okay, William. Anong question mo? What is your question?
Ang tatanong ko lang po niloloko po rin po ba ako ng partner ko?
Na si
Pogi.
Teddy. Okay. Are you ready? Ready ka na ba?
Yes po.
So, ito ang mensahe ng Charot Cards para sa iyo. Kung niloloko mo ba si William, pa rin partner niya si Teddy. Okay, this is for you. The answer is, gutom lang yan, ma'am. Kumain ka. Hindi kaya nag-overthink ka lang, William. Okay? Baka nag-overthink ka lang. Ibig sabihin, there's a possibility na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on from sa mga nangyari from the past. Okay?
Yes po.
Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Ibig sabihin, patuloy mo pa rin naaalala yung ginawa ni Feby sa'yo na panduloko from the past. Okay? Baka nag-overthink ka lang.
Pero po, nag-uusap pa rin po ba sila ngayon? O hindi na?
Ha?
Nag-uusap pa rin po ba sila ngayon? O hindi na?
Nino?
Ng genre?
Nung
Genre at TV?
dalawa yung pinalit niya sa'yo?
Hindi po.
So, dalawa yung kanyang karelasyon, tama ba? Or naging karelasyon? Okay, this is for you. Okay, William, ito yung tanong. Ang tanong mo is kung nag-uusap pa rin ba sila, di ba? William,
Nagkaroon po siya ng third party, tapos hello
Yes.
po.
Yes, nandito ako. William.
Nagkaroon po siya ng third party habang kami pa po. Opo.
Okay. So, ang guidance sa'yo ng universe, ang guidance sa'yo, di ba? Kung nag-uusap pa rin sila, ang guidance sa'yo ay
Opo.
naka-iPhone 17 pero gutom. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin naka-iPhone 17, ibig sabihin may cellphone. Di ba? Ibig sabihin yes, nag-uusap pa rin sila sa cellphone. Pero kulang pa rin. Ibig sabihin hindi pa rin sapat. Okay? Kasi nga, sabi ko, naka-iPhone 17 pero gutom. Okay, so may sinabi, di ba, na cellphone or iPhone 17. So, there's usap pa rin sila. Okay? Pero kulang pa rin. Ibig sabihin, may kulang pa rin sa ginagawa nila. Hindi pa rin satisfied. Kasi gutom eh. Gutom sa atensyon. Di ba? Gutom sa pagmamahal. So, ibig sabihin, kulang pa. Parang may pagkukulang ka rin as a partner, William. Kasi parang nasasabi yung partner mo sa ginagawa mo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa rin sapat para sa kanya. Kaya siya nagugutom ng atensyon. Paul, gets mo ba? If I were you, pa-generally,
Gets po.
ha?
Kasi rin po sila nagkaroon din po sila ng relasyon.
Oo. Payo ko sa'yo,
Itong lang.
ang payo ko sa'yo, William, magpa-love reading.
Okay po.
Para matulungan kita. Diba? Para matulungan kita kung ano yung guidance ng universe.
Magkano po ang love reading?
200.
Yes po.
Go, mag-set ka lang.
Magkano po?
Dito sa ating screen.
Wala po kasi.
Ha?
Wala pa po kasi akong pera sa ngayon.
Okay, no problem. Hindi naman ngayon.
Kakaisat ko lang din po.
Oo, kahit
Opo,
hindi.
sige.
Any other time. Basta mag-message ka lang or catch mo ko.
Pwede po. Opo.
Ha?
Pwede po magtanong.
Sige lang, go.
Ano po yung nasa isip ni Baby ngayon?
Nino?
Ano po yung iniisip ni Baby about sa akin?
Bago ka magtanong, mag-power tap ka muna, huy. Power tap and share this live stream, okay? So, ang tanong mo is, ang tawag nito, kung ano yung nasa isip ni Feby ngayon, di ba? So, that is bypass. Ibig sabihin, pinapakialaman mo kung ano yung isip ng ibang tao without their consent. Okay, so that is bypass. Okay? So, pero hingin na lang tayo ng guidance. Hingin na lang tayo ng guidance sa universe. Okay? Kung ano man yung guidance ng universe about kay Feby. Okay? This is for you. Ha ha ha, lul. Ibig sabihin, pinagtatawanan ka na. Nakakatawa ka na. Okay? Kung ano man yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, William, ay nakakatawa na. Okay? Ibig sabihin, niloloko mo na ang sarili mo about what is happening with you and Feby. Okay? So, I hope you received the message from the universe. Okay? Kasi, minsan, niloloko na natin ating mga sarili. Okay? O umaasaan na tayo sa isang bagay na hindi na pala maganda. Sa hindi na okay. Kaya nakakatawa na ito. Okay? Okay, next natin si Shana. Shana, hello. Payo ko sa'yo, William, magpa-love reading ka. Okay, you're so confused. Hello, Shana.
Hello.
Yes, pakilakasan ng boses.
Hello.
Yes.
Jo.
Ano yun?
Tanong ko lang po, nag-ano po ba kayo sa about sa health?
Ano?
Sa health.
Hindi, bawal yan.
Sa
Bawal yan.
pag-ibig na lang.
Bawal ang health. Kasi hindi naman ako doktor, madam. Okay, so magpa-doktor ka. Okay, kung yan naman ay kulam, hindi rin. Bawal yun. Okay, kasi dapat dyan is healing.
Pag-ibig na lang.
Clearing. Okay, kung gusto mo magpa-clearing about sa mga...
Pag-ibig na lang.
Ha? Sa pag-ibig naman, I would advise magpa-general reading ka sa pag-ibig. Okay, magpa-general reading ka, may bayad yon. Kung guidance lang, pwede naman. Libre lang ang guidance. Hello? Yes, ano yung question mo, Shana? Hello? Shana? Nandiyan ka pa ba?
Guidance ko. Ano kaya? Question ko is, yes. Yes.
Ano yung question mo, Shana?
Hello.
Yes. Huwag kalimutan guys, power tap.
Question ko is ano?
Guys, puro kayo tanong, hindi kayo nagpa-power tap. Okay, bago ko yung magtanong, make sure that you power tap and follow.
Maganda kaya yung ko next year.
Ano?
Maganda kayo yung ko next year.
Okay, so your question is kung maganda daw ba ang year mo. Tama siya na.
Yes.
Okay, this is for you. Guidance sa'yo. Parang traffic sa EDSA, di mo alam kung kailan ka gagalaw. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa rin, girl. Magtrabaho ka na maayos. Okay, kulang pa yung effort na ginagawa mo. Okay, napakakulang. Ibig sabihin, para ka lang na-stuck. Okay, na-stuck ka na. Ang dami-dami sigurong blockages sa life mo, lalo-lalo na sa career mo. Okay, sa buhay mo in general. So, ibig sabihin, kung nasaan ka ngayon, malamang na dyan ka pa rin, girl. Okay, because kailan kulang pa sa actions, kulang ka pa sa hindi ka pa nagpupursige, you are parang kulang na kulang ka, girl. Okay, kulang pa yung ginagawa mo. So, may blockages. Okay, so there's a possibility na kung nasaan ka ngayon, ganun ka pa rin. Okay, wala pa rin pagbabago. Or kung umusad man ka, konti lang.
Ganun lang pala.
Okay.
Yung sa next year ko.
Yes, madam. Yan ang guidance sa'yo. Okay? Ikaw, Mariel, do you have any other question? Mariel, are you there?
Hello po.
Okay,
Hello.
thank you.
Thank you so much for
Good
the
afternoon po.
Yes, good afternoon, Mariel. What is your question, Mariel?
Tatanungin ko lang po kung may chance pong mabuo kami this coming December.
Mabuo,
Christmas or New Year.
mabuo nino. Be specific.
Ng pamilya po namin.
Okay. Bakit ano ba nangyari?
Pamilya ko po.
Ano ba nangyari?
Nakakulong si kuya pero pending pa yung papel niya. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung makakalabas yung hindi.
Okay. So you are asking the guidance of the universe kung makukompleto kayo before Christmas or during Christmas or New Year, tama? Okay. So this is for you. Okay, this is for you, Mariel. Itong guidance para sa'yo. The answer is talaga ba Charmaine? Yan ang message sa'yo. Mariel, talaga ba Charmaine? Ibig sabihin, parang hindi pa. Okay? Kasi may question mark. Saka may babaeng involved. Okay? May taong involved. Dito sa pagkakakulong na ito, ibig sabihin, talaga ba Charmaine? Ibig sabihin, parang kini-question niya. May question mark. Parang you are asking question to this person. Okay? Dito sa babae na to or kung sino man. Okay?
Opo.
There's a possibility na hindi pa sure. Okay? Wala pang kasiguraduhan.
Okay
So,
po.
alam mo na. Okay.
One question pa po.
Ano yun? If you want, pwede ka mag-general reading ha. General reading is available. Hello?
Pwede pa po magtanong?
Pwede naman. Pwede. Go. What is your question?
May chance po ba akong mabuntis?
Girl,
Kasi po 5 years na po kami
girl, hindi ako doktor. Bawal yan sa tarot reading. Okay? Bawal na bawal yan, girl. Dapat alam mo yun. Hindi tinatanong ang mga ganyang bagay sa tarot reading because we don't deal with souls, with life, girl. Magpatuktok ka. Okay? That's bawal o pinagbabawal. Okay, thank you so much, Mariel. I hope you know that.
Opo, thank you po.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye po.
Go, Cass.
Hello po. Gumagawa na po ba siya ng
Reiki
way
arts.
para
Potato. Ano? Ano, Cass? Sorry. Cass, again. Again?
Gumagawa na ba siya ng way para magkaayos kami?
Okay. So your question is kung gumagawa na siya ng way para magkaayos kayo. Okay? Nag-away ba kayo?
Yes.
Cass?
Nag-ano po kami. Nagkaroon po kami ng misunderstanding. Then, nagulat po ako may minaydi na po siya na other girl.
Oh. Okay. Pero are you on a
Hindi na po namin yun napag
Are you in a relationship with this guy?
Yes po. Nung last week po.
Okay. Okay. So this is for you, okay? Ang tanong mo is kung magkakaayos pa kayo na tama?
Yeah.
Tama ba? Sorry, maingay.
Gumagawa.
Ay, kung gumagawa ng way para magkaayos kayo, right? Okay, this is for you. The answer is walang himala, Beshi. Cass, the answer is walang himala, Beshi. So, there's a possibility na wala pa rin itong ginagawa, girl, until now. Okay? So, dead ma. Okay? Kaya siguro nagmamayday na siya. Ibig sabihin, wala na siyang pake. Or wala na siyang gusto to pursue. Because the universe is telling you right now, walang himala, Beshi. Okay?
Pero nag-ano siya sa akin.
Ah?
Nagpapapansin.
Maybe, we don't know. Okay? We don't know. Pero, sabi nga dito, walang himala, Beshi. Because your question is kung may gumagawa ba siya ng way, di ba? To fix things right between the two of you. Pero, sabi nga dito, walang himala, Beshi. So, there's a possibility na, ito ay baka, baka, ganun talaga siya. Pero wala naman siyang ginagawa to fix things right between the two of you. Okay? Nagets mo ba, Cass?
Yes.
So, yan. So, yan, Cass, ang guidance ng universe for you. Okay? Thank you so much, Cass. Okay, next, guys. Pasok kayo dito. Ikaw din, sino ba to? Potato Cutie, Ari, saka asawa ko. Pasok ka dito. Okay? Kung gusto yung mag-ask. Adrian, pasok ka dito. We're on podcast. Hello, Potato Cutie. Hey, ano? Oo naman, pwede. Oo, guidance lang naman. Makanip lang ako. Hello, Potato Cutie. Pumasok ka na, Adrian.
Pwede po mag-ask like,
Yes, oo naman.
how
Oo
am I doing well academically? Ganun po.
Okay. Are you doing well academically? Okay, guys, again, wait lang guys ha. Before anything else, pag gusto nyo sumunod kay Potato Cutie, pumasok kayo dito sa box. Okay, pasok kayo. Click nyo lang yung box, guys. Okay? Click the box or request lang kayo ha. Then, kasunod na kayo ni Potato Cutie. Okay? Go! Guys, lahat lang ng papasok dito yung ating tatanungin. Okay? We're on podcast. Okay, so Potato Cutie, thank you again. Your question is, are you doing well academically? Tama ba?
po.
Tama no, Potato Cutie? Am I right?
Opo, tama po kayo.
Okay, this is for you. Okay, this is for you. Kay Potato Cutie muna. Pack, appear, carry lang. Potato Cutie, the universe is telling you, pack, appear, carry lang. So, we need to say, all is well in your academics. Okay? So, huwag ka mag-alala. The universe is telling you, pack, appear, carry lang yan. Okay? Meaning, all is well in your studies. Okay? So, congratulations.
Thank you.
Pero huwag ka pa rin pero huwag ka pa rin kapante. So,
Opo.
all you need to do is to do things right. Okay? So, huwag kang mahihiya. Huwag kang mahihiya na mag-aaral or huwag ka pa rin titigil sa pag-aaral ng mabuti. Okay? Potato Cutie.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Guys, again, pasok ko lang kayo dito. If you have a question, go. Okay? Ang question mo is, sabi ni Adrian, pag nag-confess ba ako kay T, tatanggapin ba niya ako? Okay? This is for you, Adrian. Box, may chismis, seryoso. Okay? So, there's a possibility may nagsaspy. Alam na, there's a possibility na chismis, di ba? Ibig sabihin, may idea na rin naman ito. Okay? So, box, may chismis, seryoso. Okay? So, there's a possibility na alam na din naman niya ito o may idea na siya kung ano man yung nafe-feel mo. Okay? Or there's also a possibility na pinagchichismisan ka na. Okay? About your feelings towards this person. Okay? So, box, may chismis, seryoso. Okay? So, yan ang guidance sa'yo ng universe. So, there's a possibility na alam na din naman ni T. Okay? Kung ano man yung feelings na to. At there's a possibility as well na someone is spying on you and T. Okay? Kasi nga may chismis na kumakalat na. Okay? It's already out there. Okay? So, alam mo na. Hello, Jelly. Thank you for the sharing and following. Ano question mo, Jelly?
Kung gusto po ba ni Jay na maging kami?
Ano? Ano ulit?
Kung gusto po ba ni Jay na maging kami po?
Okay, this is for you, Jelly. Okay? You're asking of Jay's, kung gusto ba ni Jay na maging kayo. Okay, tama ba? Okay, this is for you, Jelly. Ito ang mensahe sa iyo ng universe. Okay, sabi ng universe is magmumukhang zombie ka na, girl. Okay? Meaning to say, girl, baka nag-aantay ka lang sa wala. Okay? Maybe you are just overthinking a lot about this person. Okay? Kasi nga, sabi dito, nagmumukhang zombie ka na, girl. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this is all about expecting something na hindi nagre-reciprocate or there's a possibility na hindi matuloy until maging zombie ka na. Diba? So, think twice. Okay? Pag-isipan mo mabuti ang mga decisions mo sa buhay. Okay? Because there are times na nag-overthink lang tayo or there's a possibility na you are just overthinking or nag-a-assume ka lang na gusto ka ng tao na ito pero hindi naman pala talaga. Sadyang ganun lang talaga siya. Okay? So, again, the universe is telling you nagmumukhang zombie ka na, girl. Okay, Jelly? If you want more questions or gusto mo mag-follow up, may bayad nga lang. Okay? Or magpa-love reading. Thank you so much, Jelly.
Thank you po.
Okay? Next, Sena. Guys, again, pasok kayo dito ha. Huwag kayong mahiya. Hello, pasok ko lang kayo guys if you have a question. Sena, what is your question?
Bale po kasi friend
Yes.
kami ngayon ulit ng asawa ko po.
Ano
Pero
ulit?
ang
Ulit po?
Ngayon po kasi friend pa lang po ulit muna kami ng asawa ko
Okay.
po.
Ay, naghiwalay kayo.
Opo, pero ngayon po friend po kami muna.
Oh, mabuti naman. Okay? It's a good foundation.
Ano po ba yun? Kumbaga may chance po ba na more than friend na ulit kami?
Ay, so
Kumbaga
may
magiging
chance. Kung may
isang-
chance ba, okay?
Opo.
Okay, before anything else, guys, kung gusto nyo magtanong, okay? Kung gusto nyo magtanong, guys, pinapriority natin ang mga pumapasok dito sa box, okay? Up lang kayo sa box, libre lang yan, okay? One free reading tayo. Pasok ko lang, go, okay, mahiya. Hindi ko kayo kakainin, kuy. Okay, tanong, wait lang. Okay, si Sena muna. Sena, kung you're asking kung there's a possibility na meron kayo ng more than friends again, tama ba?
Hindi po lang mag-asawa ulit po.
Bilang mag-asawa ulit. Okay, this is for you, Sena. Guys, huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-follow at mag-share, mag-power tap, okay? Okay, Sena. This is for you. Ang skincare ay mahalaga para sumakses. Sena, nagigets mo ba? Ibig sabihin, ang skincare ay mahalaga para sumakses. Ibig sabihin nito, magpaganda ka, girl. Okay? Kailangan, syempre na-attract ulit. Physically. Sena, baka pinapabayaan mo ng sarili mo, baka tumataba ka na. Or
Hindi po,
nag-eat ka ng
payat po.
O, diba? Or baka naglo-losyang na, girl. Ang skincare ay mahalaga. Ibig sabihin, physical aspect. Okay?
Opo, kasi po,
Alagaan mo
siguro,
sarili mo.
opo, siguro po kasi kahapon din po, nag-usap kami, lasing po
Oh.
siya.
Oh.
Tapos, ang sabi niya sa akin, inaasaran niya po ako na, parang pinupush niya na, sabi niya, baka daw may iba na ako nakikilala, ganyan.
Oo.
Ginaganon po niya ako, tapos harap po ng family niya doon sa kakabila.
Mm.
Tapos po, inaano po niya ako na, tawag doon, gusto daw niya maging okay ako.
Wow.
Yung problema
Ayan,
ko
physical.
mawala. Tapos,
yung physical mo.
magpaganda daw po lalo.
O, diba? I told you. O, diba? Ang
Kahapon lang po yun.
O, diba? Ibig sabihin nag-resonate sa'yo. Ibig sabihin legit. O, diba?
Hindi ko po alam kung pambobola or manipulate lang po yun kasi syempre
Girl.
lasing po siya kahapon.
Girl, pag lasing kasi, tandaan mo, mas there's a possibility na yung totoo yun na lumalabas. Diba? There's a possibility. Pag lasing talaga, kung ano yung nasa isip.
Biniro pa nga po ako na ano,
Oo.
kung magkasama daw po kami, susundan daw. Parang ganun.
O, diba? So nga, sabi nga dito, diba? Ang skincare ay mahalaga para sumakses. So, tandaan mo ha. So, ibig sabihin, magpaganda ka lalo. Okay? Kung maganda ka na, go. Saka, ibig sabihin is, love yourself first. Okay? Love mo yung sarili mo. Huwag mong papabayaan.
Apo.
Kasi nga, when you love yourself, nag-reciprocate ito. Okay? Saka, gusto rin niya maging maganda ka lalo. Okay?
Hindi
So,
nga daw po ako nagsisend sa kanya, sabi niya, hindi daw kasi ako nagsisend sa kanya ng picture ko din.
O, diba? So, ito na nga, ang skincare ay mahalaga para sumakses. So, magpaganda ka lalo, ha? So, para bumalik siya sa'yo. Para masalo siyang ma-fall sa'yo, kumbaga. Okay? So, mali mo, diba? Sooner or later, bumalik siya sa'yo at maging asawa mo siyang muli. Okay? So, sa success ka daw talaga, basta mag-skincare ka. Okay? Or alagaan mo ang sarili mo.
Ay, may tanong po pala ako, magkano po pagka, kumbaga, only private reading po?
Mag-private reading, pinakamura natin is 500. That's 20 minutes, unlimited questions na yun.
Sige pa, mag-update pa ako sa inyo.
Yes, oo. Message ka lang, okay?
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Sena. Okay, guys, again, kung gusto niyo sumali dito sa live, pasok lang kayo dito sa box, okay? Ikaw naman, Haniel.
Hello, rinig na.
Yes, yan. Better. Yes, better. Ano yun? Kamusta?
Ask ko, okay naman po. Ask ko lang po kung may balak may balak pang makipagkita sa akin si Jango. Makipagkita or makipag-usap.
Okay. Sino siya? Sino siya? If you don't mind.
Nakakausap ko lang. Pero
Wala
ngayon
kayong
nag-stop. Wala.
So, you are assuming.
Though magkakilala.
You are assuming. Assumera. Napagigil ako sa
Delulu pala, no?
Dilulu ka, girl. Okay? So, pero you are asking if there's a chance na mag-usap kayong muli or makipagkita.
Makipagkita pa siya.
Okay, this is for you, Madam Haniel. Okay, huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-follow, at mag-share. Again, before anything else, guys, pasok ko lang kayo sa box, okay? Pasok ko lang kayo dito sa box kung gusto nyo ako makapag-usap, okay? Libre lang yan, okay? Huwag kayo mahiya. This is for you, Haniel. Alam mo yan, te. Haniel, the universe is telling you, alam mo yan, te. You already know the answer, girl. Girl, huwag ka na magmamahangan. You already know the answer. Alam mo na sa sarili mo, alam mo yan, te. Naka-exclamation point. Ibig sabihin, you're just in denial to the fact. Okay? You already know the answer. You don't need to ask anything from the universe. You already know it. You already know the gut feeling.
50-50.
You already know that. Okay? Alam mo na daw yan, te. So, ano ba yung gut feeling mo right now? It's either yes or no. Yun lang yun. Girl.
Feeling ko
it's
naman, feeling ko makikipag-usap. Ewan ko, feeling ko lang.
You already know. So, that's it.
Hindi, feeling ko lang. Pero kasi hindi niya nga ako sinising niya na lang kasi ako na. So, hindi ko alam. Pero yung gut feeling ko.
I see.
Ayun nga, baka makipagkita pa. Or nilululaw.
Yeah, pero sabi nga ng universe, di ba alam mo yan, te? So, ibig sabihin, it's for you to figure it out on your own. You don't need to ask the universe, okay? Because sabi nga ng universe, alam mo yan, te. You already know the answer. Okay? It lies within you. Okay? Or there's a possibility as well na dapat may actions ka rin. Okay? Kung ano ba yung ginagawa mong actions towards this situation to manifest. Diba? So, you need to act. Okay, Hiniel? So, clear na ba yun? Is it clear? Hiniel, uy.
First,
Thank you.
Yeah, there's a possibility talaga. Okay? There's a possibility na yes or there's a possibility na no. Okay? Kasi nga alam mo na yan, te.
sige po, thank you.
Thank you so much, Hiniel.
Hello.
Hello, madam.
I have a question po. What's the energy between Kiki and I, and is he gonna help me?
Girl, one
on
question at a
some-
time.
Okay, ano po? Is he gonna come back and help me on something that I need help with? Like,
Excuse me.
I kind of feel like he's gonna come back kasi parang ud na udlot, something, or I don't know.
Okay. Who is this person?
I just dated him recently and we had, contact, and then
Are you in a relationship with this
feels so-
person or no?
not in a way, but like he feels so familiar. We both feel the familiarity, like
So,
kind of like a
it's-
twin flame.
It's a situationship without label.
Yeah, but like it was just really for 2 days, and then he's going na to
Days?
Singapore. Yeah, and we block each other because like we teach each other, and like I just don't like that I didn't get my ROI. Like hindi niya natupad yung somewhat what I want. So parang nagalit ako, nainis.
ROI? Return of
Yeah.
investment? Oh my God,
I
you
call
spent
that
a lot for
ROI.
the guy?
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
God.
so sorry.
Girl.
That's why like I'm very
Girl,
transactional.
it
That's why
shouldn't
like
be like that. You should be the
I
one
know.
to be spent with. Oh my God, girl.
No. It's not that I feel that way. It was genuine at first, but
Oh my
then
God.
I felt like I got used to. Parang I'm being
I felt
used.
that he took advantage of you, girl.
Somewhat, yeah. That's why like I want my ROI.
Oh my God. There's a I have a gut feeling that you're hoping, because this guy is very, very, what do you call it? I think this guy is so handsome. Am I right?
Hot, very hot.
He's so hot. Oh my God. That's why he took advantage of you, girl. Oh my God. And let me just just tell you my gut feeling first, okay? I think he will not. There's a gut feeling inside of me that he will not. He's just using you, girl, and your emotions. And don't expect too much in return with your ROI. You might not get it.
Actually, wala na. I think
That
he
is
went
just
na.
my gut feeling, okay? So,
Wala na. I think he,
so this is my and this is the universe's guidance for you, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Girl, again, please learn to have boundaries, okay? Even though that's hot, okay? Even though he's hot, he has his six-pack or more than that, okay? Don't spend too much, okay? This is for you. Girl, the universe is telling you naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-gandahan. You are fooling yourself, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, this is a joke. Okay? Everything that's happening between you and this guy is a joke. Because this is just ganda-gandahan or pogi-pogian. You get?
Yeah, actually.
This is false claim. This is illusions, girl. This is just pure illusions. So don't expect too much. That this ganda-gandahan or pogi-pogian will reciprocate into love. Because it is not. Okay? Because this is just a game.
Yeah.
This is a foolish game.
Actually, I block him na. I block him na.
You should. Okay? You should. Because you deserve better, girl. And please.
Yeah.
Okay? And please, don't spend too much, even though this guy is so hot. Okay? Because
No, I didn't spend. It's more so it like
Emotional ROI, right?
I just want to be spent. Parang I
emotional?
want like something. Yeah, I want something like probably like at least a material thing because
Oh my
he
God.
somewhat like I do that with
iPhone
guys.
17?
Not really. I just want like yeah, more so I think or like money or what. Whenever I
Oh my
feel
God,
used.
how many things you? Oh my God, don't tell me you gave something else that I'm thinking right now.
No, we really had one night stand.
What?
Because I was drunk also. I was drunk.
Oh my God. Oh my God, girl. Girl, by the way, this is a podcast. Is it okay for me to post this?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I know. No,
Great.
don't post this.
I should post this.
I mean, but like, my name is not there, and it was, but it's okay. I
No,
mean,
it's Sai. Nobody's
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna know you. Okay, so I'll
Yeah.
just post this.
yeah, pero okay lang naman. Okay lang naman because like he's yummy also.
Yeah, girl, nanalo ka din. Umarte ka. You enjoyed.
Amen.
Girl, it's not just you, okay? It's the both of you, okay?
Actually, yeah.
But then again, you're a girl, okay?
Yeah, but like the thing is, like he got so angry because like I don't wanna go with him on like supposedly yesterday on a resort. So he went out with another girl, but he told me
Oh my
also,
God.
and I was like,
That is
okay,
so-
fine, I don't care. Okay, long, I have other guys. Char.
Oh my God. Oh my God. So you're just an option, girl.
We both are an option to each other, so okay.
Oh my
lang.
God. So everything is just a game, okay? So
Exactly.
the universe, like what I've said, the universe is telling you, naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-ganda.
Totoo. Pero I actually think he's gonna come back.
He will if you will give him money or you give him something else in return. That's for sure. That is for sure. That
But he has to give me also.
girl, it's both ways, right? You enjoyed, he enjoyed.
Actually.
Actually, you know that.
Sarap, man.
You know the drill, guy.
So sarap.
So that's how it is. Okay, so don't expect
Sige,
so much. with
I
this
feel
guy.
at a loss. Yeah. I feel at a loss,
loss
pero
because he's
I remember nga. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a loss because he's hot, but is he deserving?
I know, not that it's a loss because it's hot. No, not that one. No, I mean, it's a loss because like I didn't get something what I want. Like let's say a material thing, like a
so you
gold or
expect
like
something in return.
a material thing
Is
or
this-
like a
wait,
fancy
wait.
date.
Let
Yeah,
me just ask.
I
let me
wanted
just ask. Is this do you fell in love? You're expecting love in return or no with this guy? Were you expecting
Not
love
really. I
in
think I
return?
expect
Or
with
not?
potential people. No, I expect naman with all guys. Pero he's
Okay.
just like a regular thing.
So you're not serious.
Pero so
and then
far, I kind of
you're
feel
expecting
connected.
something in return. Wait. So, meaning to say, sorry ha, is this the, I don't, oh my God, I don't want to say it.
I know. I just feel. Oh, I mean, I think I just become practical when it comes to that. Kasi mga lalaki, kasi they're gonna get whatever they want to take from you. So you also at least need to get something in return.
Correct, yeah.
That's why like I get my ROI. He even laughed because like he thought I was like innocent. I was like, no, I'm not. I need my ROI.
Correct. Again,
But like he's not that guapo though. He's just hot. I have hotter guys.
correct.
Actually.
Focus on the hotter ones, okay? Not focus on the basics.
Yeah, amen. Yeah.
Focus on the basics. And of course, if you're trying to meet with strangers, of course, don't expect 100% that you will receive ROI because most of them, they'll just take advantage of you. Especially
Yeah.
especially dating apps. You know that the dating apps or
Yeah.
whatsoever. Most of them are just flirting. Okay, they're not serious. So it's really a gamble. It's a game. Okay, so again,
I know naman.
ganda-ganda.
Yeah.
So you know that.
Ganda-gandahan, girl. Sige,
Correct.
goodbye.
So use that
Thanks.
beauty of yours, okay?
So far, yeah. I usually just
Use
like
it.
really do my thing. It's a currency. Sometimes I get what I want from them.
Of course.
I get what I want from
You
guys.
deserve it. You deserve it. Okay? But
Amen.
don't use it in a negative way because it will come back to you, girl.
To be honest, also.
Girl, don't use it in a very bad way because it's also a curse. Okay? It will come back to you eventually.
Yeah.
Okay?
But like
So-
I didn't want. I think it was just reciprocal.
Yeah. But there's a law of karma, girl. It's not just reciprocation or whatsoever. It's the law of karma. It's the law of the universe. Okay. Just
Okay.
just do
Enjoy.
what and enjoy. Yeah, that's the essence of it. Okay, enjoy and don't spend too much. Okay, especially on strangers.
I don't spend naman money. I spend time lang. That's why.
Actually, that's actually the what do you call this? The most precious.
That yeah, expensive. That's the thing. That's why like I feel like
you can turn.
that's
You
why
can
I feel like
take it
I'm at a
back.
loss. Oh,
Yeah, you
totoo.
can take it back. Diba? It's a time. When you spend it, it's gone forever.
True.
You can take it back.
Exactly.
So,
Sige, bahala siya. But I can feel nga he will come back. Because he can
he will
never...
come back if you will give him something in return, something like that. For sure.
But
don't
he also
take-
has to give something in return.
Yeah. So don't what do you call this? Don't take that guy seriously, okay? Too seriously.
Okay.
You don't
Thank you.
deserve it, okay? Thank you so much, Sai.